Welcome back, everybody. My name's Jake, and for those that are C3 fam, thank you for tuning back in. You're helping us build this channel every single day. We're getting up close to our 250 subscribers for our giveaway, and if you're not part of C3 fam, you can click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join our Twitter and Telegram. You'll be entered in our 250 subscriber giveaway. So today we got a big video for you. We're going to be going over some quick Bitcoin analysis. We're going to be going over VeChain, Cardano. We're also going over a cool little DEX coming out on Cardano as well, Matic, Solano, and Harmony. So if you guys haven't already, click that like button. Please click that like button. It helps us get found in the algorithm. So if you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. And as always, this is not financial advice. So let's jump right into the charts. So over here on Twitter, there's this really great video I want to show you guys real quick.
Average drawdown in Amazon stock is 31%, 5 times over 50%, twice over 90%. When was the right time to sell Amazon? That would be never. So volatility is not.
So I just wanted you guys to hear that. It's pretty good news if you guys held on and did not sell your Bitcoin. Hope you guys held on strong. I will say though, we did get out of some of our altcoins against Bitcoin pairs just to hodl more Bitcoin. That's the end goal. So let's jump into the day chart over here. Actually on the Bybit perpetual. So let me get on the Coinbase. All right, so here we go. These charts have a little bit more data. That's why I like to use them. They go back longer, so it's better for the market cipher indicators. And if you don't have market cipher and like to get it, you can click in the description below. There's a link for that. So we just had the day candle print, and we had a buy dot print down here on the bottom, and this is a really big buy dot, so that's usually very, very bullish. We had a 19 with a -3 in the bear score. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys this. If you're panicking right now, we're holding on. This is just what we're doing. So I just want to let you guys know and show you the last time we got a buy dot. It was, look down here, we had this inverse head and shoulders form, and then look what happened. We had a huge blast off. So I don't know. Take it for what it's worth. These are just the technicals. This doesn't, account for all the people and all the FUD and everything going out. So let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. We've been climbing quite a bit after that nasty wick off, or wyck off if you've been following the technical charts. So it's climbed quite a bit, so that tells us that people are exiting altcoins and they're getting into Bitcoin. So I wanted to show you guys this tweet from Willy Woo, on-chain analysis, pretty OG guy in the space. So here's the history of the dips below, NVT price, cheap coin. So what he's showing you here is in the last bull runs, every time it dipped below this NVT level. So we had one here, and then we had a blast off, and then we had one here, and then we had a dump off. So you could take it for what it's worth either direction, but we're bullish and we're being optimistic and positive. So we don't think that this is over. This is a huge shakeout. So to kind of coincide with that, you come over here to the Bitcoin stock to flow model, and you can see that in the last bull run we did take a nice dip right there, and that was the one that we saw in the chart previous. So we had two big dips. So look, we still have a lot more room to go. The 100,000 mark seems inevitable. So not financial advice, but this is what we're doing. So let's hop into one of our favorite altcoins, VeChain. This coin is one of the best altcoins we've seen. They don't move fast, but that's because they're slow and steady, and they're gonna win the race. So supply chain put into blockchain is hand in hand. So let's watch this video real quick.
But if they're intriguing to you or not, everyone's tweeting about VeChain. Any thoughts on that? VeChain is an incredible company. They're enhancing supply chain management. It addresses a lot of the issues with siloed data that could fundamentally change the way the companies operate. This is definitely one of the better bets in the crypto space.
Without endorsing them.
All right, so when you see it on Fox News, you know that all these people that watch Fox News for investment advice are gonna, if they're gonna hop into crypto, this will be a coin that they hop into. So let's check out the charts real quick. Right now, everything's looking kind of bearish, actually pretty bearish, but this is good if you're into the accumulation game. So this is what we're doing. We're kind of looking down in this zone to accumulate some more VeChain. We're very, very bullish on this project. They have a lot of great partnerships. And if you'd like to check out a nice detailed video on VeChain, you can click the description above. So let's look at the day chart. It's actually looking pretty bearish, but we can only come down so low before we have to come back up. So I'm hoping we'll actually wick down to this 200 EMA and then blast right off. So seeing as Bitcoin's gaining momentum, alts and Ethereum could be kind of sideways, little upward for the moment. So let's take a look at this video I have for you guys.
It's a total different architecture. So one of the biggest hurdles we have and one of the largest task force we have to do for the foundation is education. It's not just education in terms of the universities and the students. No, it's education of the large companies and the large governments who is reaching out to millions and billions of people and ensuring that they feel comfortable working with such a different architecture landscape as Cardano. We think and we believe and what we see is.
All right, so that's just a quick little clip of what Cardano's doing. This is really exciting. I'm sure you guys saw the news on Africa being integrated into the blockchain. So this is really awesome, really bullish. Another really solid coin that doesn't really matter what the whole market is doing. They've shown to move independently. So I want to jump into the Cardano chart really quickly, just to give you guys a little market cipher update. So we're sitting here on the day chart. We are looking pretty bearish. Actually, we have a 12 over a 0. We have the money flow coming down, and we're kind of just moving like a little bit of the rest of the market. So we're waiting for this to turn around again. Just like VeChain, we're actually reaccumulating more and more Cardano because we believe strongly in it. So this could be some sort of W pattern forming here as well. If you see that, you have a fractal into a bullish one, into a bearish one. So we could see a nice leg back up here. So that's what we got for the charts on Cardano. I just wanted to show you this news. It's about a day old, and a publicly traded Canadian company launches Cardano staking service. So this company is called iMining, and they trade on the Canadian Stock Exchange, or Toronto Stock Exchange, excuse me. The company provides retail and institutional investors a safe and secure way to stake Ethereum 2.0 using proprietary and secure proof of stake methods. And now Cardano will be on the list of supported assets, says the company. iMining seeks to bolster its presence as a leading staking service in the crypto world. The Cardano blockchain relies heavily on staking pools, whereas other blockchains like Ethereum depend on individual staking nodes. With Cardano, iMining will launch a staking pool helping ADA token holders to participate through secure and reliable infrastructure. So this is really cool. This is really exciting to see institutions getting into projects like Cardano. So as Crypto Slate previous reported, over 72% of all ADA wallets as of March 2021 were staking the asset via various platforms, making it one of the most staked tokens in broader crypto market. So that's why you have such a stable price. That's why when we saw that nasty drop, Cardano did drop, but it came back up and it's holding pretty strong. So I believe we're very near our support levels. So this is kind of for our next leg up. And one exciting project launching on the Cardano blockchain is actually Sunday Swap. So you can see their website is under construction right now, but you can click their white paper. So we're gonna just go over that really quickly. And Sunday Swap is a multi-tool DEX on the Cardano network, decentralized exchange. This technical paper explains the design and some concepts of Sunday Swap, and automated money maker, as well as a decentralized exchange on Cardano blockchain. It talks about ideas such as multi-function pools, automated Babel fees, and functional pricing structures to accommodate arbitrage traders as well as liquidity providers. So I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. They have a liquidity providers have incentive to provide liquidity to low volume assets for higher rewards. Unfortunately, this is not enough reward in most cases, and impermanent loss is rampant in lower volume assets as described above. So this is talking about other staking pools and liquidity providing and farming. So there's impermanent loss where you lose some of your tokens depending on the price fluctuation. So I found those to not be very profitable. I think looking for something new is what we're on to. I'll list this white paper in the link below, but here's the references as well from the white paper. Just a lot of technical explanations on how it's going to work. So not really my specialty, so I'll keep moving. So, and I'll also link this page as well. It's their Medium paper for Sunday Swap Finance. So this article will cover what an ISO is and why they're choosing that model. When is it launching? How will the rewards be calculated? How will they be distributed? And how can you participate? Some common miscellaneous questions, some hardcore nitty-gritty technical details. So if you want to get into that, read about that, you can find this in the description below. So let's come over to another really great project that's just getting popular. Just all kinds of staking and dApps are being migrated onto this chain. So yield farmers are migrating to Polygon. Well, why is that? Polygon offers a similar yield farming experience to Ethereum mainnet at a fraction of the cost. Key metrics show that DeFi power users are starting to migrate to the network. So some users have also turned to Binance Smart Chain, though that network has suffered from variety of issues such as hacks and flash loan attacks, such as Bunny Swap and XVS. So in search for low fees and fast transaction, many yield farmers have turned to Polygon, the Ethereum scaling solution that's sometimes described as a comet chain. Polygon uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, and transactions on the network cost fractions of cents. So just telling you guys right now, when I was trying to get rid of some of my altcoins that were on my MetaMask, it was expensive to move these tokens around. Even with low gas fees, I stayed up and shot for those low gas fees, and it still seemed ridiculous. So I'm really excited about this. Over the last 30 days, the token price has increased by more than 300%. The number of transactions on Polygon also surpassed Ethereum for the first time on May 2nd, with leading exchange QuickSwap accounting for most of the volume. So this is pretty impressive. It looked like they flipped their volume on May 2nd, and we'll take a quick look at that right here. The chart, thanks to Ashike. Shout out to him. Thank you, sir. And so as you can see right here, this was the day that it came up and flipped Ethereum. So that's pretty awesome, very bullish. While apps like QuickSwap are Polygon native, Interest in the layer 1 scaling solution grew when established DeFi protocols set up versions of their apps on Polygon, including Aave, Curve, and Sushi Swap have all joined the ecosystem this year with positive results. Aav's Polygon market size has already reached 6 billion. To help grow the market, Polygon has distributed Matic net rewards for lenders and borrowers. The demand for low-cost DeFi, easy access to capital, and the Matic rewards distributed to lenders and borrowers have all helped attract liquidity. Yield farming on Polygon. Excuse me, guys. With low fees and gas prices, quick swaps volume is high and results in high commissions for liquidity providers. So down here you can find a little bit of their staking that they have going on right now. I'll also link this in the description below. So let's jump into the chart really quickly, and let's start on the 1 hour. We're actually looking a little bullish on the 1 hour. We actually have an 18 over -5. And if you want to know what these market cipher indicators mean, you can click right above me, and we have videos on Market Cipher, one of the best trading tools out there. So let's look at the little bit higher time frames. 2 hours looking a little bullish. This is looking not really decisive for me. The day chart's looking bearish, but look, we just started the day chart. So this is kind of similar pattern that all the other coins are forming, and I would be a little cautious just because we could have a head and shoulders pattern forming, shoulder, head, shoulder. So I would be careful and, you know, watch this range right here. So that's if we get bearish, things can change. I think Bitcoin's going to pump, and I think people will take profits into these altcoins. So as requested by people in our public Telegram, and also just to let you guys know, we've got that Sunday swap project from one of our private Telegram members that he'll be eligible to receive the Nano Ledger S for our giveaway once we hit 250 subscribers on YouTube. So if you guys like to join the private Telegram group, it's as easy as clicking our Patreon. That's actually right over here, up here at the top of our YouTube page. So anyway, let's jump into the Solana chart really quickly. On the day chart, we're looking pretty bearish. Little less bearish than some other assets, but things are kind of turning around right now. But as quick as they can turn around bullish, they can go bearish. So we're just keeping a close eye on things. We're bringing you guys content as soon as we find it necessary and, you know, something important for you guys to know. So Solana, in my opinion, is kind of looking a little bearish, although they're a really solid project with really great fundamentals and a great community behind them. So this is another token that can also move independently as well. So keep your eyes on it. We'll be posting charts of it in the public Telegram chat, which you can join by clicking below. So let's check out Harmony, another request from our public Telegram group. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys asking really great questions and helping us find things and information. So let's click over here to the 8 hour. We're kind of looking sideways push. Yeah, same here on the 6 hour. Short term, I think is, yeah, kind of looks similar to everything else. I don't know, guys. We could see a short term pump on these, but by the time you see this video, this could be coming back down. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Watch the technicals, join our Telegram group, ask us some questions. So let's check out the 2-day chart on one. Yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty bearish. So I don't know, guys. I would just be cautious, maybe sitting on the sideline with your Bitcoin and some stable coins ready to buy. Not financial advice, but that is what we are doing. So I hope you guys made it to the very end of this video. We really appreciate you guys for helping us build this channel every single day. And my name's Jake. Please ring that notification bell and hit the subscribe button above my head. So we appreciate you guys.